Houston, we have a problem.
This is a GNS3 CCNP TSHOOT Lab. In other words, it's a troubleshooting lab. We've been told that routing is not working in this topology. Can you fix the lab so that router 1 can ping the loopback of router 3 and router 3 the loopback of router 1? These routers are viral Cisco IOS V routers using this operating system. If you have trouble importing this lab, make sure that you import a Cisco IOS V router using this image. So in other words, under Available Devices, make sure that you've added Cisco IOS V to your GNS3 installation. Doing that also requires the use of the GNS3 VM. In this example, I'm using a Mac, but you can also use this topology on Windows or Linux. In this topology, the routers have just booted up. Router 1, as an example, is not able to ping the loopback of router 3. Router 3 is not able to ping the loopback of router 1. Now, from a troubleshooting perspective, try and fix the lab without using the show run command. Try and use other show commands to ensure that you understand the output of various show commands in the Cisco IOS and to ensure that you know how to troubleshoot networks. Don't just type show run to view the output. So can you fix this lab? Download the GNS3 portable project and import it into GNS3 and see if you can complete the lab yourself. If you're not sure how to import portable projects into GNS3, have a look at my videos on YouTube that show you how to do that. So see if you can complete the lab. Otherwise, watch the next video where I show you how to complete this lab.